Welcome back, first graders. You did so good starting your tree maps yesterday. Way to go! Remember, we were talking about penguins and we were practicing pulling key details from each page, and we're trying to figure out what the main topic of this book is. So we read pages 1 through 10 yesterday. We're going to finish the book today, and we're going to figure out if we know the main topic. And we are able to support our answer with those key details, that text evidence from the book. Do you remember that word? Text evidence. Can you say that? Text evidence. Very good. So we are going to continue reading. Miss Thomas is going to read a couple of the pages with you, and then you're going to continue to read the rest of the book on your own, and you're going to fill in your tree map. If you don't have your paper and pencil yet, go grab that. You can pause the video and come back with paper and a pencil or your journal, whichever you choose. So pause, go grab that, and come on back. Alrighty, so I'm going to continue reading to you these first couple of pages, and then you're going to finish the rest of the book on your own. Let's see what key details we can find. Alrighty, so this page was the last page we read yesterday. Their feet are webbed. They have flippers. Some of you wrote the ones, their feet are webbed on your tree map, and others wrote they have flippers. Very, very good. Let's read page 11 or page 12. They can swim fast. That's a good key detail, isn't it? I didn't know. Maybe they could swim slow, but now we know they can swim fast. Let's add that to our already you can add it to your tree map that you created yesterday, but if you don't have enough space, you can pause and create a new one. So again, we have the line at the top, which we save for the main topic, what we think the main topic is, and then we'll find the details that support that. So we'll pull those key details and support that. Remember, authors are always trying to teach us more about a topic. And one way to do that is by adding good details to our writing. Okay, so we are going to figure out these key details and practice finding them together. All right, so let's go back. What was our key detail? They can swim fast. Let's write that. They can swim fast, period. Very good. They can swim fast. Feel free to pause the video while you write that in your own tree map. Next page. Sharp beaks help them catch food. Look at the picture. We can see, look at his sharp beak, and he has something in his mouth. That's another key detail. Just by looking at the picture, just by looking at this, we can gather another key detail. So we know what helps them catch food, their sharp beak. Okay, and then this might give us a little clue too. What is this penguin eating? Looks like a fish. So you can choose. Their beaks help them catch food, or you can maybe say some penguins eat fish. Let's add that to our tree map. Sharp beaks help them catch food. Very good. You are going to continue to read the rest of the story all by yourself. Go to the next page and finish pulling those key details. At the very end, I want you to write in on this very top line what the main idea is, the main topic of this story. So we already had some really good guesses. We looked at the title of the story, and we've been looking at every single one of these pictures. Some of you actually wrote it into your tree maps already. Fill in your tree map and send me a picture in Dojo, okay? Let me know if you have any questions at all. Good job. Keep up the hard work. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.